How to check storage on your MacBook? First of all, let's find out what our storage capacity is, right? So let's go to system settings. In system settings, by default, you'll come up in general, but in general, you want to go to about. And in about, here you can see it's also going to show me what's available of the total storage. So I have a 256 GB MacBook Air, so it's going to show me 245 GB that I can actually use, which is fine. I can also go to the previous screen by clicking on the Apple logo and then go to about this Mac. And once you get here, you can see obviously we don't have the storage option here. We just have to click on more info, and here we are at the same screen. But if you want to check what is eating up your storage or how your storage is divided, you can just click on storage settings, and here you can see what all is actually consuming the storage. So in my case, I have not started sync on my iCloud other than my Apple Notes. So as you can see, store in cloud is also an option. So this is my bifurcation. So I have other users using 70 GB, the Mac OS itself, but the Mac OS itself with Siri and Apple Intelligence is going to take up about 26 GB. As you can see over here, system data is 48 GB. There's nothing I can do about it. And that is about it, right? But guys, I usually like to know what is the storage left on my MacBook. Since it is a 256 GB one, it is very likely that it's going to get filled up very fast and I have to either delete it or move my data. So if I go to Finder and then I go to desktop, this is for an example, I can just go to any folder per se and get that. But on the bottom, you can see I have 2 items and 58.67 GB available. Now 58.67 GB available is actually for the entire MacBook. So I've used about 200 GB and I still have 58 GB that I can use. But how do you get this option? To get this option, you have to be in Finder, then go to View, and then in View, here you can see, well, in my case, it's hide status bar. So if I hide it, here you can see it's disappeared. If I show status bar, it's going to actually show me the details. Even if I select one folder, it's going to say one of 2 folders selected. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.